What's up, guys? Next morning here. It is bright and early. Y'all know I usually be up like 2 or 3 o'clock West Coast time, man. So me waking up over here, I feel kind of normal, man. So we out here. We got the bridge in the back. Looks like they heading to Jersey over there. Don't know what I got planned today. I think I'm going to be linking up with James pretty soon. He said he wanted me to check out some faux spot or pho, however you say it. I don't know. But we'll check that out, that food spot. Then I kind of want to go get some Philly gear. Some type of Philly gear, something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, though, man. If you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We dropped that Harley off to my dog James yesterday. However, it was pretty dark, so I don't know if he's going to be able to hop on it today or not. We're going to see if we can get him on that thing today. If not, hey, I'm sure some of y'all seen him out there on the road, man, and flick up some flicks for me, man. So if y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We in Philly right now, dog. So we had that Philly cheesesteak last night. That thing was fire, man. So we're going to see what we can come across today, man. Man, we just pulled up to King of Prussia Mall, or however you say it. It is hot as heck out here. Now, every time I look at the weather for Philly, New York, anywhere in the tri-state area, man, it's always raining. I came unprepared. Y'all see them in this long sleeve. Everybody around me got shorts and whatnot, man. But we gonna hop in this mall and see what they got. You know, see what we can do, man. Yeah, man, we walked in the mall with one outfit, came out with a whole nother outfit on, man. It was freaking hot, man. Y'all know it's like 100 degrees or damn near, so have to switch up the flow real quick. Simmer on down. It's time to find some food and head to the airport, man. That mall is cool. I like this mall. Alright, man, we ended up back on South Street at Jim's Steaks again. Y'all know why I'm here. Yes, sir, man. We had the double back. Man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. We done finally found a truck, man. I was walking around South Street for like 25 minutes trying to find the truck. But, man, I haven't been over here in Philly in a long time. So much history, like American history, just within these, like, within a mile radius, man. There's so much stuff over here just from back in the day, you know, when America and all that good stuff was first started. So big history project I did when I was out here, was filming it and stuff, but it just brings back a bunch of memories, man. I think it was freaking dope. But we out of here, dog. We out of here, man. Penn's Landing. Good to go, dog. Dropped that rental car off, got our cheese steak. I'm gonna wait till I get into the airport to enjoy this thing, because I don't want to rush it, man. This dude's driving bumpy as heck. I'm gonna have it all over my clothes back here, man. So I'll catch y'all when we get in the inside. We done got through, finally about to get on this plane, headed to Vegas, man. So might have a little surprise for y'all on the other end. So we'll just stay tuned and see, man. So let's get it in, dog. Alrighty, man, we didn't land it back in Vegas. It's time to go up. Yes, sir. It's not as hot as it was in Philly. That's what's so crazy. In Philly, it was freaking hot as heck. Burning up, had the boys sweating and everything, man. Even had to change my clothes. But we out here going up. So let's get to the ride. Yes, sir. Way back at the back of the back. Here she goes. Hey there. Hey there. How you doing? How you doing? I missed ya. Yes, sir. Alrighty, guys, we finally made it back to the crib, man. That was a freaking lovely trip, man. But it's time to load this thing up, get it out of here. We have sold it already. Did a quick sale on it. I could have kept it, but I just have something else in mind, man. So stay tuned, and we'll get it going. In the meanwhile, I have to catch you guys on the next one, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for supporting, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway, make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your keychain, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We literally only have a few spots left for that road glide. So, man, make sure you enter if you want to. But in the meantime, I'm going to have to catch y'all on the next one, dog. Peace.